congratulations. In Game 2, you were on the other end of a very violent slide. I know all these fans were holding their breath. You went on an absolute tear after that. How much did that ignite your play?
Well, first of all, I want to thank God for giving me this opportunity to live this great experience. And also I'd like to thank my teammates. I would have done it without you guys. And also the fans. You guys are the best. You guys bring so much energy every single day. Thank you guys. And also I want to thank the Giants family for, turning me over here and giving me this opportunity. Thank you! Woo!
The rally cry of this team was to get you to a World Series for your very first time in your career. You said it was going to be priceless. How do you put it into words now?
This train never feels so good. Being here, World Series National Champs, enjoying this moment with my family, all my teammates. This is unbelievable. Thank you.
Thank you, Marco. Congratulations. Joe, get a towel for me.
Wow.
Back up to you.
Your first baseball award ceremony, and it happens in the pouring rain, and these fans enjoyed every second of this night, which started just after 5 o'clock local time. The Giants got a run in the first and never looked back. They win Game 7, 9-0. Marco Scutaro was a part of this night and every other night of this NLCS. He is the MVP with a .500 average. Brilliant defense, an emotional leader, and he proved just how tough he is. We'll continue the Chevy Postgame Show from San Francisco after this.